Stop scrolling. Supplements that claim to boost male performance are everywhere. Today, we're taking a closer look at Gara Herb. But does it actually work, or is it just marketing hype? So, Gara Herb is marketed as a natural male performance and vitality supplement made from herbal extracts, amino acids, and nutrients designed to support things like circulation, testosterone balance, stamina, and sexual function. It says it works by improving blood flow and hormonal balance without artificial stimulants. The formula is produced in FDA registered GMP certified facilities in the USA and often comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. Here's what some users and official testimonials claim. Many customers say they felt more energy and endurance after a few weeks. Reports mention improved confidence and stamina in daily life and intimate moments. Natural stimulant-free formula with herbs that traditionally support blood flow and testosterone pathways. So if you're looking for a daily wellness boost instead of a quick fix, some people feel it helps. But let's be real, no strong independent research proves Gara Herb delivers big performance gains. Most claims are based on the brand's marketing and herbal traditions rather than clinical trials. Also, supplements like this usually only offer modest effects, if any, unless you already have a deficiency or combine them with diet, exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits. Common online community discussions about similar testosterone boosters often say these products don't dramatically change hormone levels for most men. So does Gara Herb actually boost male performance? It's not a miracle pill. Some users report feeling more energy and confidence, but there's no strong clinical proof that it delivers major performance boosts on its own. For most men, real results still depend on lifestyle, diet, exercise, and overall health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.